Okay, you're probably wondering what this thing is. Well, this thing is my Cannon Blaster 9000. So we're gonna be testing this thing out today. Is it on? Okay. We're gonna be testing it. I'm gonna shoot my cannon real quick. No, I'm actually gonna shoot this thing. We're gonna see what's gonna happen, okay? You wanna see it? You wanna see it? Oh crap, well I have to go fetch like a dog! Okay guys, we'll just go fetch like a doggy. I just fetched that thing. Welcome back to the video, guys. In this video, I'm just gonna be showing off this thing. Like, you can get it. I got this from TJ Maxx. It's a dog Nerf gun, so this is made for dogs. They make dog things now at Nerf. What's next? Dog tennis ball? Oh, I guess so. What's next? The Nerf leash? Oh yeah, they don't have that. Oh no, they don't have that yet. Not yet, dog fans. But as you can tell, it shoots pretty far. It's a pretty good toy. And if you want it for your dogs, like it's used for a fetch toy. Now we're gonna use it for something else. We're gonna shoot a swing. Yes, a swing. Yes, a swing. We're gonna see what will happen. Okay, I'm gonna just pause this while I do it. Okay, bye. Holy crap, guys! What could I have to say to this thing? Holy crap! I just broke the freaking swing. Holy crap! This thing is. Holy crap! How powerful is this thing? Yeah, guys, holy crap! I just shot that thing right at this little rope right here, and it cracked. It cracked and it. I'm gonna get a licking from my mom. Oh, by the way, there's a new hater called CJ Train. Go subscribe to his channel because I'm so nice to him right now. Yeah, but just do that. And bye. Before you guys go. One more shot. One more shot, guys. Boing! Okay, just like, sub, comment down below, see you guys later. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Bye, sub, comment down below, see you guys later, bye. Also, seriously, Nerf? Dog toys? DOGE space TOYS?